So, you're writing a long report in Google Docs and you accidentally deleted a paragraph. No worries. Google Docs has version history. It saves every change you make. Restore your document to any point, copy sections, and see who made changes. Click the Save notice or go to File, Version History. Browse different versions to find what you need. Click Restore this version to revert. It's great for collaboration too. See new changes alerts you to updates. So, one of the most powerful features of Google Docs is the ability to collaborate with others in real time. You can share your document with colleagues or friends and work together seamlessly. Just click on the Share button, enter their email addresses, and set their permissions. Whether it's editing, commenting, or just viewing, you have full control over who can do what. This makes teamwork not only efficient, but also more enjoyable. Keeping track of different versions of your document is crucial, and Google Docs makes it easy. You can name specific versions to identify them quickly. Just go to File, then Version History, and select Name Current Version. Give it a meaningful name, and you're all set. Additionally, you can filter versions to find exactly what you're looking for. This is especially helpful when you're working on long-term projects and need to revisit previous drafts. The beauty of Google's ecosystem is that these features aren't limited to just Google Docs. You can use version history in other Google apps like Sheets and Slides as well. The process is pretty much the same. Just go to File, then Version History, and you can see all the changes that have been made. This consistency across different apps makes it easier to manage your work, no matter which Google app you're using.